Salman from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam tullah wa barakatuh.
So my question is, Sheikh, regarding sometimes while being in office, if I go to the washroom and I push the button for flushing the commode, so sometimes some splashes comes out of it. And some of the flashes I feel on my hand, but I don't know where it may have hit my clothes if I'm standing close to that. So in that case, what should I do? Like if I fear that when I reach home, I may miss my Dhuhr prayer.
Akhi, the default is everything in this universe, everything in this world, everything around us is tahir, pure, until proven otherwise. And proven is written in caps lock, P-R-O-V-E-E-N. And it's in bold font, and it's in red color, and it's double underlined. So I have to have a proof. If I feel, if I think, if I believe, all of these are phrases of doubt, not certainty. I should ignore it. But if I see it, if I see an impurity on my hand, if I touch it, and I can feel it, that it is impure, it's not water, it is urine or feces or whatever impurity, then I have to wash this off. If I don't see anything on my clothes, the default is that my clothes are clean and pure and tahir. Just because I have splashes on my hand does not mean that I have them on my clothes, because I don't see anything. And I'm not gonna sniff everything to see if there's urine in the floor. Dogs do this, I'm not a dog. So don't allow shaitan to open a can of worms that would destroy your life. What you see, what you have proof, yes. What you don't have proof, ignore it.